Hi, welcome to the course of Public Finance. My name is V.N. Alok and I'll be a lead instructor for this course. You will be hearing from me, you will also be hearing from my colleagues in the Institute of Public Administrations and the extended fraternity of IIPA. The course is a synthesis of the theory and practice of public finance, both internationally as well as in India. In this course, there are a number of modules that will be presented before you. The first module will be on federalism. In this module, we will be discussing the what, why and how federalisms. That's very important because India is also a federal country. The second module will be on public finances and its few concepts. Few concepts includes fiscal deficit, revenue deficits and primary deficits. The third module will be on the role of the government for development. As we all know, the government has to provide public goods to the citizens of the country and for which they have to generate some resources. So that's also the role of the government. So in the third module, we'll be talking about the role of the government. The fourth module will be on the intergovernmental fiscal relations, or in some other word, fiscal federalisms. There are a number of pillars of fiscal federalisms: the revenue assignment, the expenditure assignment, the intergovernmental fiscal transfers and the institutions. So that will also be discussed in that course. The fifth module will be on the local public finance. The local public finance is about the local government finances. So that's a fifth module. The sixth module will be on the expenditure management, how the government is spend money. So that will be discussed on the sixth module of the course. The seventh module will be on Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act. As you know, the government spend a lot of money when they have to go for the poll. They start playing for the galleries. So this fiscal responsibility and budget management, it's intends to provide some kind of control on government expenditures. So that will be discussed about fiscal responsibility and budget management. The next module will be on tax policy, tax reform, introduction of the goods and services tax. For the last about 25 years or so, the government of India and the state government, they have been reforming its taxes. So this would be a brief history of those taxes and why these tax reforms have been undertaking for the last so many years or so. So that would be discussed in that module. Okay, so likewise we will be discussing various other aspects of public finances. I would request you if you can join us, and I expect that you will have a very meaningful discussion and discourse in this course.